How to use Grok 3. Let's get started. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'll guide you through the basics and show you what it can do. To start, you can use Grok 3 in two ways, through X or by visiting grok.com. You can launch it and sign into your account. Grok 3 has two special modes called Deep Search and Think mode. Deep Search is great for research. It looks up real-time information about the internet and X. Think mode is better for tasks that require logic or reasoning, like solving math problems or writing code. You can switch between these modes with one click, and the responses you get will be different depending on the mode. Let's go through some examples. If you need help writing content, like an SEO blog post, just type a prompt like write an SEO article about training in USA. Grok 3 will create a full article with headings and structure. If you want to change the tone or add more data, you can ask it to adjust it. If you are into coding, Grok 3 can help with that too. For example, you could type build a snake game mixed with spade invaders. In Think mode, Grok 3 will give you the full code, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with comments to help you understand what each part does. If something does not work, just ask it to fix the code. Grok 3 also generates images. Provide a prompt and you're gonna get the response to it. It will give you a fun AI-generated image you can download and use. For real-time updates or research, switch to Deep Search mode and ask something like, what are the latest updates about Grok 3? You will get a summary of recent news updates and user feedback from the web and X. If you want more advanced features, Grok 3 offers a paid version called Super Grok for $30 a month. It gives you more powerful tools, faster responses, and early access to new features. There is also an enterprise API for businesses that want to integrate Grok 3 into their systems. That's it. Grok 3 is a helpful tool for writing, coding, research, and more. Try it out and see what it can do for you. Thanks for watching.